Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing another squishy tutorial and I'm going to be showing you how to make this bunny cake squishy inspired by the real squishy. And this was actually supposed to go up on Easter, but it ended up taking a lot longer to make than I expected because when I painted on the face I didn't like how it looked, so I ended up redoing it, so it ended up taking a lot longer to dry, so I'm really sorry that I couldn't get it up for Easter, but I still hope you all had a great Easter and I really still hope that you enjoyed this video. So yeah, let's just get started. So first you want to start off by tracing your template onto the foam, and I will try to link this template below in the description so you can use it if you want. So now we just want to start cutting this out. So here is what it looks like so far, and you just want to make sure that it looks kind of the same on both sides. And as you can see, I've already finished smoothing off the top. So what you need to do is you just want to take your scissors and just make curved cuts just all the way around like so. And you also want to do the same for the ears. So you basically just want to keep doing that just all around the squishy until it looks as smooth like this. Yeah, hopefully that makes sense. So I'm just going to finish that. So here it is after I finished smoothing off the shape. So next what you want to do is you want to draw 3 lines going all the way around the squishy like this. Yeah, I did kind of mess up as you can see, but you just want to draw 3 lines. And then you just want to take your scissors and just cut off the pen lines like so. Really carefully, so that way it makes it look more of like a layered cake, I guess. So you just want to do that all the way around. So I'm just going to do that. So here it is after I finished cutting off the pen lines. And also what you want to do is you want to draw 2 teardrop shapes on the ears and then just cut off the pen lines, kind of like what you did here. So now we can move on to the next step. So now what you want to do is you want to take a small little strawberry template and draw out at least 3 strawberry shapes onto some foam. And you can just draw them on by hand if you want, you do not have to use a template. And then you just want to start cutting these out. So once you have cut out all of these strawberry shapes, you just want to just smooth them all off just by making curved cuts, just like this. So just like that, and then you just want to cut that in half, and you really just need just 5 slices, so you won't be needing the 6th one. So I'm just going to finish. So once I've finished making all these strawberries, here is what the final shape looks like. And I think it looks really good. So now we can finally start painting it. So now it is up to you what design you want to do for yours. I'm going to be doing the white one with pink filling. So what I did was I painted both sides of the squishy white, and then I mixed some of the white and a little bit of red paint together, and I painted the ears. And then I mixed some of this dark pink colour, which is called Rose, and I just mixed it with some white and I painted the middle. So that's what it looks like so far. So now on to the next step. So next what I did was I painted on the face using brown and white puffy paint. And again I just used the image as reference. And then I used a bit of pink for the blush and just dabbed it on using my fingers. And you also want to paint the strawberries red. And by the way, if you see a little bit of red here, that's just where I placed these strawberries, just so then I could see where to paint on the face, but that's fine because this is going to get covered up later anyways. So that's what it looks like. So now I'm just going to let this dry and then we can move on to the final step. So lastly, what you want to do is you want to glue on the strawberries like this. And again, you can just use the image as reference. And then you just want to take your white puffy paint and just fill in the centre. So that's what it looks like. So now I'm just going to let this completely dry and then your squishy will be done. So here it is once it is all dry. And sorry if it looks a little bit grey here, it's because I ended up remaking the face because I didn't like how it looked, so yep. But I think it still looks really good. And these strawberries are also squishy, of course. And again, it's up to you what design you want to do for yours. So, yep, I really hope you enjoyed, and as always, please feel free to request more squishy tutorials or video ideas you'd like me to do in the comments below. And I really hope you enjoyed, and happy late Easter. Bye bye!